Hi there, my name is Amir and I'm an internet marketer and a certified elementary English school teacher. In this course we will learn how to create, buy and sell NFTs. The NFT space is the most revolutionary and exciting space to be in right now for anyone who wants to make an income from selling digital art. Now, this course is for complete beginners and there is no need for any experience in NFTs. We will go through the basics of NFTs, starting with an explanation on what is NFT, why you should sell NFTs, the history of NFTs, what NFTs can you sell, and some basic concepts of NFT. Then we'll walk through setting up a MetaMask wallet, signing up for OpenSea, funding our MetaMask wallet, buying NFTs, and listing our NFT for sale. We will learn about the blockchain and how to secure your NFTs. We will also have an entire NFTs creation workshop in which I will actually show you how to use free online design tools to create NFTs. Inside the NFTs workshop, we'll go over how to get free images for your NFTs, how to modify the images to make them unique. I will show you a couple of different options to do that, and I will also show you how you can add text to your images to make them even more unique. Through the course there is a project that you can complete, which you can use for practice purposes and to add to your portfolio. Now, I'm also going to share with you a few vital methods that will help you get more people to see your NFTs after you list them for sale, because my main goal is for you to complete this course and have the complete box of tools which are necessary for a successful NFTs business. Bye now.